Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your ANZ Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in login.anz.com and click on enter. After that you will be redirected to official homepage of ANZ Bank. Now at the top right corner you will find login option, click on it. Now type in your customer registration number and password. Then click on this button to log into your ANZ Bank account. Or if you have forgotten your login details, click on this link. And if you are a new user and want to create a new account, click on register link and follow the instruction to get a new ANZ banking account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.